Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX-7, guys, that overheats, radiator fan, cooling fan is not working, we'll show you guys which relay to check. Now, you actually guys have two relays, okay, not just one, you have two relays for your radiator fan. So if your fan doesn't work, your car may overheat, your AC, air conditioner will not work. This is a safety feature on the car. So always guys check the relays. Okay, you have some fuses as well, check the fuses. We have the video where to find the fuses. Super simple guys, but in today's video we will show you which relays we will be replacing, where they're located, and also you can find in the description of the video below where we buy the replacement ones if you need one. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know guys what you think and if the video was helpful. So, once you guys open the hood of your Mazda CX-7, okay, this is a 2.3 gasoline engine, your cooling fan is right here. Okay, and you have guys, okay, two fans, number one, two fans. Now, you have a main fan and secondary fan. Let me show you now where the relays are located. Right here guys, this is your fuse box. Discover how you remove it. There is one clip here. Pry it forward. Now bring the box forward and up. Okay, like that, because it gets attached on the bottom. Now, what we'll be looking at now guys, okay. The main relay now for the fan, okay, is this one right here. Let me see if you can see. Let's come just a little bit closer. Okay, perfect. This is guys your main relay right here. This is for the main fan relay. Now this relay guys, okay, is the same as the one next to it. This is for the headlights. So if it doesn't work, you can replace them and see. But we have a video on the channel that explains how to test the relay, so you know for sure if yours is good or not. And the only way I found out to remove those is with pliers usually. Okay, just grab it gently. Okay, because they do break guys. Okay, they do break pretty easy, believe me. And okay, you have to pull it out. And this one is super tight guys. So I'll see if I can even remove it without breaking it, because definitely feels like it's stuck there. Sometimes if they get too hot, okay, they might get stuck. So that could be the case. Okay, we'll see. I'll go ahead and grab it like that now. Okay, perfect. This is guys the main relay. Now we have guys, okay, the link in the description of the video below where you can get a replacement one. And now where is the secondary relay? Secondary relay is just like this one, and it's this guy right here. This is relay number 2 for your radiator fan. Both of them are the same guys. Again, if you need to replace them, we have the link to the to where you can buy one. Also, we'll have a video on the channel that explains how to test a relay guys. It's pretty simple. And we'll explain all that, we'll have it there. So from that point on, how I have to do, just go ahead and replace it with a new one. You gotta make sure that you push it all the way in, and when you push it all the way in, make sure that it clicks. Okay, everything's good, perfect, and go ahead and install your cover, because you don't want dust or water, humidity to get in the box, because it can damage it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.